Hey guys! Welcome back again po sa aking channel. At ngayon, meron ako papakita sa inyo dahil today, may dumating na naman na package. Hulaan nyo kung ano to. Rear set para sa aking GSXR600. Okay, so i-assemble natin siya, buksan itong package, and then kakabit natin. So, okay. Okay. Okay, since 2014, sa AliExpress lang ako umu-order ng mga parts, mostly sa pagdating sa rear set. Kasi limitado lagi ang aking budget. Tsaka gusto ko rin medyo magtipid-tipid. Okay, kasi hindi man tayo binibigyan ng commander ko ng malaking budget dito. Kaya kanya-kanya kaming diskarte ngayon. So, ito in order ko, kulay blue. So far since 2014, isang beses pa lang ako nagka-problema sa rear set. Alright, sa 2004 SV 650 na naging loose yung pegs niya. Kasi naman di ko rin linagyan ng Loctite. Kasi ever since hindi naman din talaga naglalagay ng Loctite. I never had that problem before, but since then I started using Loctite. So let's check her out. This is the other ones. Okay, this is for the left side, which is for the gears. That one is for the right side, for the brake side. Ito yung mga pegs, foot pegs again. More here. This one, I don't know if I'm gonna use this, but let's see. I might just gonna reuse my factory one. That's how it looks. Factory Loctite. Alright, na-realize ko kailangan din pala tanggalin ito. It's the whole assembly here. Okay. Okay, half done. I'm still thinking about this if I'm going to replace this, but we'll see. I'm gonna do the other side first. And this is a little bit more complicated because this is where the brake cylinder is located. Okay, let's remove it. So this package did not include those two very critical and essential parts for this rear set, and it was the hook and the ring together with the bracket where you could hook the spring, right? So I had to steal those critical and essential parts from my other rear set that is
that is unused for my '07 rear set Yamaha R6. That hook is very important for the and the ring to make your rear set on the brake side, right side, to make it operational and to activate your brake lights as well. Without it, it's gonna be like useless. You could probably still using the brake, but the brake lights will not turn on without those hook and ring to attach the device, the brake lights switch. So it's very important, guys. So this package did not include it. I requested for a refund for it, and it's still fighting for it as of today, of during my time making this video, and yeah. So anyway, it I made it. Uh, what do you call this? I made it possible for it to be operational after I took those the ring and the bracket and the hook from my '07 Yamaha R6 rear set that I was selling in Kijiji. All right. Nevertheless, I fixed the problem and now it's operational.